Hey y'all, this is this is Don, Torpedo Chief. I'll show you this thing here. I talked to Curtis from Clark, and some things that thing doesn't do, which I kind of like, but some of the things you can trick this system into being more than it looks like. This is $8 from eBay. Comes with the batteries, programmer. It's easy to do. You all use Audacity. And these here, right here, these little tactile switches, I want to change these out for reed switches and put a magnet around my turret ring. And like here, you move the turret around and you can simulate cold start. This one here turns her leg, plays a complete thing. Oh yeah, shut up. And then this one here, oh, wrong one. Oh, these two I haven't done anything with yet. I'm sorry, I'm on narcotics. So you got a total of 5 things you can program in for it, and it comes with some software you use to program it. So, you know, if you want to add a little something to your sound system, something like that, it should be able to help you. I hope you guys are able to use this. Talk to you later. Bye.